Network Entertainment.
Spit Manila.
The Dove Reborn Rituals playlist.
Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Tawalets. We are the women of Spit, and we're going to be introducing ourselves. Let's start over here.
Yes. Hi, everyone. I'm Kara.
I'm Angelica.
Aaron.
Monica.
Bye.
Thea.
Missy.
And we are going to be talking today about our preparations before shows, how we used to be, how we get ready, and how we feel reborn at certain points. No? But before we start, I'd like to ask, quick check-in. How is everyone feeling?
Great morning.
Great morning.
Yes.
Nakapagkape na kasi.
Perfect.
Nakapagpahinga after, nakatulog ng maaga because this week has been full of shows and rehearsals. So I'm feeling very energized.
Perfect. Actually, we're seeing each other every day this week. Every single day.
Okay pa naman.
Okay
We're
pa.
still-
Hindi pa tayo nag-aaway.
Correct.
Excited pa rin ako nung na-realize kong makikita ulit tayo
Same.
today. Oo.
Okay.
And also see you tomorrow.
I want to ask people because we all came into Spit at different times. So, how did we used to prepare for shows in the past? Do you remember? Do you remember how we used to prepare for shows? Ako kasi, I started with Spit, I was in college. So, hindi pa ako nagme-makeup nun. So, puro sando at chinelas lang and jeans yung suot ko during shows. And, I mean, our old performance space could fit 20 people. So, for me, parang, hindi na ako mag-aayos, di ba? I just came from school, okay lang.
At saka, tumatawid ka lang.
Oo.
Diba?
Oo. Tricycle naman.
Tricycle.
Actually, naalala ko yung chinelas phase kasi nagchichinelas lang din ako noon. And then, ganun lang din. Sando pants and chinelas and okay lang yon.
Yes, ako same din. Ang ganda na may mga chinelas tayo sa common factor when we started. Ako naman, as in yung literal come as you are, yung talagang yun, kasi mahilig na naman chinelas. Also, like makeup-wise, ang alam ko lang na makeup before or like how I did my makeup before was just stage makeup, as in theater
Ay, wow.
makeup. So, parang hindi ako ganun ka-confident or parang either I would not put on makeup at all or talagang okay na ba to? Yung nose line, yung ganun na ganun talaga. So, kadalasan, no makeup na lang din kasi hindi man ako ganun ka-confident. Parang, paano ba mag-makeup sa isang like improv show na hindi naman din super laki ng audience?
Lip and cheek tint.
Yes.
Isa lang.
Or eyeliner lang.
Hard same, I wouldn't wear makeup kasi nga yung, for me, makeup is for the theater, for a big stage with harsh lights.
And you also came from school.
Yes,
You
I would come from school or I would come from, wherever, pagala-gala or, basta parang makeup to me was such a big performative thing. And because we were in such small venues, diba? And it's improv, you come as you are, right? So parang, kung ano ka lang, di pa nga ako nagsa-sunblock nun eh. Kasi 20s, you know.
Yes. 20s pa rin siya.
Correct. And this is just to say, as early as your 20s, even your teens, dapat nagsa-sunblock.
Tama yung term nga rin, sunblock. Ang term ngayon ay sunscreen. Ako, sunblock din tawag ko.
Would you believe I had long hair?
Oh, yes. I remember.
I had hair up to here. Ganyan. Parang lagpas pa ng chest ko. Ganong kahaba. And it was so hard to manage. It was like, hindi ko alam kung bakit kailangan ko magkaroon ng long hair. Hindi nga ako marunong mag-hair. And then after nun, I was like, maybe I shouldn't wear my hair long. So I cut my hair really short, yung ganito. And I was blonde for 5 years.
I remember.
Cute yan.
I remember.
Hindi namin yan naabutan.
Pero,
Pero, I remember when we were doing improv before Spit, may mga shows din kami here and there with our group, with our classes
2020.
and with housekeeping improv. And then I remember one show, siguro mga 2022 to, nanood si Missy nun. Tapos after the show, sabi niya parang,
you guys are so pretty, but don't cover your face with your hair.
I remember that.
You remember that?
Yes. So,
Kasi puro buhok yung nakikita ko, which is
Oo.
fine. Pero kasi hair should be like framing.
Alam mo,
Yes.
yung
Yes.
comment na yan, that's a very, theater comment talaga yan. As in, yan din ang comment ng kadalasan ng directors ko na parang, lalo na kung narin sobrang into the scene ka na, tapos nakabuhok mo parang, ayaw mako-conscious ka. So,
And I
safe,
realized-
safe na safe ka behind your hair.
And I realized parang while the hair is, pag hindi inalagaan, ganyan, as someone who does not know how to comb her hair, no, growing up, parang you can hide behind it or you can use it to kind of like frame you and bring you even more across the audience.
Yes.
So which is why parang the effort to put in, parang hindi pala siya pang frame lang, pang personality din.
Oo.
I thought naman you're saying like their hair was like covering their face.
Their expression.
Kasi millennial, tas sila emo.
sobrang true though. I think it might be generational. Maybe. Oo. But it's so funny you brought that up because ako, nagmomotor ako 2 shows before.
Yes.
So,
Marunong ka
my
magmotor.
make, oo.
That is
on me, that is on me. As in, not even makeup, powder lang ako. So, wala kang thought about it. So, hindi ko na naisip si hair at all before. Kasi powder nga lang ako, tsaka, tint. Then si hair, really,
Tint.
not even second. So, baka third pa si hair sa akin before.
Same with Cara. Ako wala akong makeup at all kasi bukod sa hindi ako marunong. Parang tinatamad akong linisin siya after. So,
Valid.
nagpo-focus na lang ako ang ginagawa ko sa hair, parang basta may braid na isa or may something different or mayroon akong itatali, like half pony. Parang, okay, show ready na yun for me.
Siguro the biggest difference from me between then and now, because I joined Spit, chinelas pa nga yung marami.
Single ka pa nun.
Single pa ako noon. Tapos, yung makeup ko dati, when we'd have slightly bigger shows, was more it was just like I was going to a party versus now.
House party.
Oo, kasi mas hindi ako marunong, baliktad naman ako sa inyo, hindi ako marunong mag-theater makeup dati. So kayo dati, yun yung una ninyong alam. So ang makeup ko rin dati is parang pupunta lang ako sa club.
Tapos yung mga kilala mo naman yun nandun. Parang yun yung look.
Oo, so parang ganun lang.
I just want to say that there was a turning point in my personal life when it was us na yata eh. Yeah, it was us na. And I told, parang alam mo na, I'm very passionate diba? As a Scorpio monkey. So, sabi ko, guys, pwede bang mag-makeup naman tayo? Like, be more like Aren.
Naalala ko yun.
Naalala ko
Tapos
yun.
parang, I think a lot of the girls looked at me like, are you crazy?
Are you crazy?
Are you crazy?
I am wearing makeup.
Mas ganun eh. Naku eh. Pero hindi pang party kasi.
Yung parang, can we try to like level up? Parang I just felt that kind of, siguro I was also projecting to everyone else my personal need to level up na malaarin. And the real moment na in-effort yon I felt was in that one, in our first biggest show.
Right.
Yes.
Which one was that?
The one in the north. Like 500. Like 500 people.
No, that's
1,300
1,000.
people.
Wow.
So I think the very first na for us was big. Kasi we were, yun nga, from 30, naging 200, tapos naging 500. And we were so scared.
Yes.
Yeah.
Remember? Pero hindi pa rin tayo nag-full on like, boosh sa makeup nun. I mean, meron na. Pero nung nag 1,300 in the north, dun tayo talaga
Nag-hair
nag-hair.
extensions.
Yes! Diba? HMU talagang kung todo.
Yes.
Ay, nag-curlers ako noon
Correct.
Ako curling iron.
Oh my God. Okay, nag-braids lang ako noon on either side. Tapos hindi pa ako anything. Wala pa akong tools noon for hair. As in, dry lang siya, air dry. And then i-braid mo lang para may something new.
Alam ko, nag-bangs ako na.
Ako, naka-braids, dalawa naman. Kunwari parang
Yes.
gold deluxe braids. Naalala ko. Pero speaking of bangs, and speaking of pagmumotor, kasi hanggang ngayon nagmumotor-motor pa rin ako. As if talaga ako yung nagmumotor. Umaangkas ako sa motor.
Yan.
So nag-decide ako nagkaroon ng time recently na ayoko na mag-bangs. So wala akong bangs, pero binalik ko siya, diba? So nagbalik ako ng bangs. Pag nagmomotor pala, ang hirap mag-bangs. Like, ang hirap.
Paano?
Pag kasi, so may helmet ka. I'm sure nakaka-relate lahat ng may bangs at nagmomotor.
Yes.
So magsusuot ka ng ganyan. So, yung helmet, nakadiin siya, nakadiin. So, kahit anong feeling mo, kahit ang ganda-ganda ng bangs mo pag alis mo ng bahay, pero pag sinuksok mo na yung helmet na ganyan, plus yung pawis.
Yes.
So, laminated na siyang ganyan. Ay, nakaganyan na siya. Pero, ang alaman, i-brush up mo siya. Tapos, saka mo lalagyan ng helmet. So, ang hirap din dun. Pag binalik mo siya, basa rin. So, it's a feat.
It's a journey.
It's a journey.
So, kaya ka nagdadala ng isang curler palagi.
Yes. And
Hairspray,
dry shampoo.
Dry shampoo.
Isang curler lang.
Isang curler lang. Wala na ako. Parang
Now
yung
I
iba
know.
kaya naman kung ma-manage the rest of my hair. But the bangs, and because of the helmet stuff, it's hard.
Alam mo, hindi ako makapag-relate. Never ako nagkaroon ng bangs. Why? Because I have 6 puyo. 6 puyo, including here, that's 2. So, walang kahit gano'n. So, when I got married, and back then, I was still blonde.
Kasi single ka pa nung nag-start ka sa
Yes.
Wow.
Yung aking HMU artist, na kilala natin, Ara Fernando, shout out.
Hey.
Sabi niya, gusto mo mag-hair extensions kahit dun sa bangs? Kasi sabi niya, kailangan natin ng mas drama na framing. So, bumili lang siya online, minatch na, tinignan niya na yung picture ko, ano bang kulay ng buhok mo ngayon? Eksakto.
Amazing.
Eksakto.
And hair extensions hair extensions are tricky
Yes.
because they can be extra nice and shiny, and if
Like
your
a
hair
perfect match.
it
But-
can be the perfect match. It can also be like setting your hair up for failure.
Yeah.
So kailangan yung hair prep mo, diba?
Maganda rin.
Maganda rin.
Dapat
Flawless
dapat
yung
handa.
pagkakakabit.
Oo. Kasi paano kung kunwari, ang perfect nung hair extensions, as yung hair mo damaged. Parang hindi talaga sila mag-match.
Yeah.
Hindi mo naman pwedeng i-damage yung hair extension.
Hindi pwede.
Alam niya yung diba, sinasabi na yung hair mo has a parang direct correlation to where you are in your life. Like, it's always na parang, pag may breakup ka and
Yes.
then,
I
may
was just
ganon.
gonna say.
Kasi ang baliktad. Like, kung sobra kong saya, doon ako nagpapaganda ng hair. That's when I style it, when I color it, or I get it cut na may style. Baliktad.
But that might be also, kung break up, gusto mong maging masaya. Therefore, you do that.
Okay.
Diba?
So when you're happy, you want to accentuate it. Kaya meron kang highlights na.
Look at that.
The highlight of your life.
Literally and figuratively.
I look almost 40 instead of 40 plus.
Yeah.
Nung pandemic, I was so, I felt, I mean, I guess all of us, no, felt so kulob and held back. Kasi we were.
Yes,
so I
we
colored
were.
my hair all different colors.
You did it
I remember
pink
that.
for
I did
a
it
while.
pink, blue,
Mermaid
purple.
colors, diba? Parang multicolored
Before,
hair.
nung early sa spit, nagpa-short hair din ako. Nag-red highlights pa ako.
Yes.
When I see the pictures, I'm like, But, and then the pandemic lifted, or the restrictions on the pandemic lifted, and parang the color was starting to grow out. Siyempre, when you color your hair, there is that damage.
Yes.
Right? Wala naman dating nakakakita. But since nga, nakikita-kita na lahat
Yan
ng tao,
na.
parang, so I really cut it short and it felt liberating. But
Yes.
because it was short hair, it needed pala more
Mas
attention.
maintenance.
Oh my
Yes.
Yes. Dati nag-ano na ako, same. Nagkaroon ako ng face din na like more than 5 years, I think. I used to have my hair lagi na naka faux hawk.
Oh, really?
Like very, very
Naabutan
short.
ba namin yun?
Hindi pa yata. Hindi
What's
pa. Or
that?
siguro
Ano
para
yun?
para siyang konti na lang mohawk na. Kaya
Maiksi
faux.
dito sa side.
Mahaba-haba dito, tapos maiksi dito talaga. Kitang-kita mo lahat ng tenga, buo. Ay, kita mo na-
Undercut? Parang gano'n.
Parang gano'n. Parang lahat naka-undercut. Tapos,
Sinagel, no?
ha?
Sa taas.
May time na parang may wax ako. So, ang dami, di ba, may wax ka pa para medyo nasa isang,
Mad
kept
pixie
siya sa
cut,
isang,
gano'n.
parang gano'n niya. So, ang hirap. Pas akala ko parang this is so low maintenance.
But no.
But, ano to siya, parang monthly akong bumibisita sa stylist ko dun sa salon.
And growing your hair out is so hard, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. Like
I
the
would-
faces.
I did that before. I would really grow my hair out. And virgin hair siya for a long time because I would habitually donate hair. So, kasi it needs to grow a certain length. Parang like,
Parang 6
more
inches
more
minimum.
than, kaya
Ah.
sobrang haba para. Tapos never ako nagpakulay. Kaya sobrang healthy niya. Siguro kaya I take it for granted because it's always been healthy na parang because nga hindi ko siya ini-any. And then, pag dumating to a certain point, you braid it, then when I get a cut, it goes straight to, I would send it to different foundations where they would.
But are all hair, just because you don't do anything to it, are all hair,
Created equal.
Oo, parang
Some are
hindi
more equal than others.
Oo nga eh. Just because you don't touch it doesn't mean it's healthy.
Malaking factor in genetics, I think.
Oo
Tsaka
naman.
lifestyle.
Yes.
So speaking of low maintenance and genetics, so I used to think my hair was low maintenance growing up kasi parang gaganin ko lang, babaksak na siya. So parang okay, kahit di mo siya suklayin, kahit hand suklay lang siya, baksak na siya. And then as time goes on, parang ako, shucks, hindi, kailangan nga may and genetics because may white hairs na ako even when I was in high school. So that's when I started coloring my hair to cover it. Tapos parang naging part na rin siya. Kasi I would try, hindi naman si neon pink. I would love to, but pero na mas nandun ako sa burgundy red, yung ganon, cellophane, ganon. So even then, baksak pa rin siya kapag parang naging personality ko na nga siya, identity ko na siya, pag ginaganyan mo siya nung high school, alam mo yung ginaganon mo siya, parang
90s matinee idol.
ganun lang. Tapos babaksak
Parang
na
varsity
siya.
ka, ganun.
Oo. So yun
Volleyball.
Diba?
Na-share ko lang because sa low maintenance and genetics.
Naiingit ako noon pag may mga high school classmates ako na isang ganun lang. Tapos ang ganda ng flow. Kasi yung hair ko parang, nung bata ako, curly talaga yung hair ko. Tapos ginupit ng mom ko yung mga curly ends. So parang siya, na-confuse siya kung wavy ba siya or kulot. So, parang growing up, inis na inis ako kasi hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin sa buhok ko. Hindi siya straight, hindi siya kulot as is. So, wavy lang talaga siya. Tapos yung pag-wave ng isang side, iba dun sa pag-wave ng isa. So, parang growing up, consistent ako na iniiba-iba ko yung hairstyle ko. Na-try ko na yung pixie, na-try ko na long, na-try ko na may bang side
I would
bangs.
love to see that.
Na-try ko na may burgundy highlights, dark brown, ngayon balayage. Parang hindi ako mapakali na may isa akong hairstyle for siguro more than a year or
Wow.
so baka next year.
Iba
Iba
na.
naman. Yun na
Iba
yung
na.
pink.
Faux hawk na ulit.
I thought because we're mostly straight-haired, no? Or wavy
The
at
grass
most.
is always greener eh.
I want curly hair. Oh my
Always
gosh.
greener.
Like yung
Growing
talagang,
up, yeah.
ganon na.
And then iba pa siya pag nasa ibang bansa ako. Mas lalo pang kumukulot.
Kahit dry.
Depende sa
Humidity.
klima, ganun.
The humidity really changes the hair.
Right.
Correct.
The water of the country changes the hair.
Even when the air is too dry, your hair becomes brittle. And I've experienced that. Like when I visited my then boyfriend, now asawa, in Sydney, sobrang dry ng air sa Australia. So para siyang yung nag-brittle talaga siya. First time ko ma-experience na parang napuputol. And I didn't know what was happening. Like, meron ba akong vitamin deficiency? Yun pala, sobrang dry. Oo.
When I was in Paris,
Ayan na.
no, for real.
Flex,
For
yeah.
school, parang 5 months. But my hair was really so different. Kaya pala parang the shampoo then that is used or the hair care being used in a different country. Siyempre, you buy what's there, diba? Hindi ka naman magbabaw ng isang maleta ng shampoo. Although I tried. At saka parang the hair really changes. So the material that you use to care for it really changes. And I must say, my favorite hair is when I'm in the Philippines.
Gets.
Parang feeling ko eksakto lang yung like the combination of the oil
Yeah,
that
the
is produced here.
moisture.
Even in terms nga of products, pag nagtagal ka doon, mas na-dry ako. Then yung and then you bring it here and then it's not the same.
Although, it was much poofier. So,
May volume.
may volume. Pero nga, the flow, it
Pero
wasn't
gusto
as
mo ba?
flowy. Gusto ko yung volume for shows.
Yes.
But for the everyday life,
I see.
I like it to just be kind of like, chill. Kasi everyday life tayo, dapat chill. Pero pag performance, medyo elevated. Eh ngayon, poofy yung hair ko palagi. Pero elevated, kailangan mag-perform.
Elevated ako lagi.
Dati, hindi ako maka-elevated na look or hindi ako makapagpakulay ng like like anytime that I want to. Kasi nga, I used to do like more, I think, siguro commercials and film before. And like, films, commercials, tsaka sa betting plays. Na, syempre, parang paano kapag kailangan all black, di ba? Yung buhok ko, like, so hindi ako, ngayon medyo mas confident ako, parang magpa-pixie kaya ako, tapos pink. Parang, feeling ko mas confident akong gawin siya. Kasi mas, like, yung ginagawa ko ngayon.
You feel more free. Na-mention mo yan sa akin
Yes,
before.
yes.
And
Kasi
you're
nga-
more yourself now, right?
Yes, oo. And mas madalas tayo mag-shows. I do improv work more
Yeah.
than like shooting stuff or doing plays.
Correct.
Speaking of you feeling more like yourself, I really appreciate na tayo yung nag-aayos sa sarili natin hair and makeup. Because sometimes I've experienced pag nagpapaayos sa iba, parang hindi ako to. Parang ganon. Like even if it's the same bun or same ponytail, pero it's different kung ako yung gagawa.
Oo,
Parang may certain strand.
Nung nag-guest tayo sa isang game show and then hindi nga siya full makeup, nung nakita ko na yung telecast, tama ba? Telecast? What do you call it?
Show.
Basta when it's shown lang. On the
Airing.
TV.
Nung na-air na.
Oo, nung na-air na. And sabi ko, parang hindi ko kamukha yung sarili ko.
But it's also a TV thing, ha?
Iba kasi yung look eh.
Oo.
Oo.
Like I think for the most part, a lot of us on social media, right, or lots on television when we're nag-iiba talaga yung
Yeah.
kasi it's mediated through
Sabagay.
the camera and stuff. Tas ilaw, but makeup and hair, of course, plays a huge part.
Yeah. Did you notice that when you do different tasks daily, parang nag-iiba yung hair. So, it's different, diba? When you feel like, okay, magtatrabaho ako today, I'm gonna do this. Hindi ko na inaayos yung buhok ko. Parang ponytail, official. Official na ito.
But now that Spit has gone viral compared to our earlier times, I cannot go to the mall not
Wait, sa kwento ko yung
Pero
nangyari.
ikaw, Ari.
Yung kahapon ba, isang araw?
Talk
Isang
about
araw.
it. Talk about it.
So, I had to have something notarized for work. And nasa side streets lang naman yung notaryo. So, hindi ako nag-ayos. So, yung bun ko, yung nakaganyan pa yung buhok ko.
Tikwas-tikwas.
Nakaganyan. Tapos, naka-glasses ako. Tapos sabi ko, okay lang. This is gonna be fast. May nagpa-picture.
Fast nga naman. Pero may nagpa-picture.
Sabi ko talaga sa babae. Sabi niya, oh, Arian, hi, can I have a picture? Ay, ang pangit ko. Okay lang.
When I went to watch Thea's show, so syempre, manunood ka ng play eh.
hindi ka
That's how I
magpapakita.
did. Bakit ka magme-make
And it's
up?
dark.
Yes, yeah.
And these are your friends
Tsaka iiyak ako eh.
Diba?
Iiyak
So,
ako.
pagdating ko doon, nandun din yung mga fans ni Thea. So, tingin sila sa akin, I'm like, don't look at me.
Ang ano pa doon, ang alam kong makeup lang din, yung show makeup. So, darating ka na, nakakontour ba ako dapat?
Oo.
Eyeshadow.
Hindi na, yun, dati hindi ako marunong
Daily contour.
daily or theater makeup lang dati ang alam ko, as in stage, like old age makeup. Kung gusto niya mag-ringas, kaya ko yan. Theater hair. Diba? Tapos ngayon, na parang, okay, big show makeup. Ngayon, pagka, kunwari, sige na nga, minsan nape-pressure ako na mag-ayos kahit lalabas. Minsan hindi, minsan parang, ito ako guys, ito talaga. Okay lang kung pa-picture kayo sa akin. May ganon. Pero may times na, sige, mag-aayos ako, mag-makeup ako. I do my hair. Pero parang, paano? Anong gagawin ko? So, base lang. Base. Tapos dadagdagan ko ng ganito. Bilang mag-eyeshadow ako. Ba't ako mag-eyeshadow? Bakit ako mag-eyeshadow?
Minsan, di ba, pag, kunyari, pupunta tayo sa venue para sa show, pero medyo matagal pa yung call time. Tapos, sabihin natin na parang, magme-makeup na ba kayo? Magme-makeup? Base lang, ganyan. Tapos, unti-unting madadagdag. Ay, full na.
Or share, very briefly na, yesterday, we had a show.
Yeah.
And I had so many errands to do. So I wasn't wearing any makeup, just sunblock. But
Sunscreen.
and I had a good hair day. So when I got to the show, kebs na walang makeup, basta maganda yung hair.
Alam mo ba? Actually, kasi when di ba nga, I wouldn't treat my hair before. I wouldn't color my hair before because I would donate. When the white hair started showing, sabi ko, oh, this is my chance. So, sige, more balayage, ganyan, highlight, etc., ganyan. Ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya is, even if I don't put on anything, I look like I'm going to a party. So, kahit na nasa bahay lang ako, igaganon ko lang siya. I'm ready to wash the
So parang totoo, di ba yung crowning glory?
Yes.
It's your crowning glory.
I'm so happy that now there are more products and more in one product there are more options to take care for your hair.
And you can do it at home.
Yeah, because I have ito no eme. I use Dove, right? For shampoo, conditioner,
Hairspray, yes.
mousse.
Na ginawa ko na. Ginaya ko sa'yo.
Hinihiram namin.
Me
Actually, I
too.
just wanna
Yeah.
say, yung curler sa bang ni Thea.
Psst, ganun.
Yung first,
Sa'yo
kumukuha
yan?
pa siya ng
kumukuha pa
stock.
ako.
Pati masispray.
Hindi pa pala sa'yo yun.
Pero
yung,
yung
yung
kanya-
nakikita mong ginagamit ko recently, akin na
Kanya.
yan.
Oh, good.
Pati yung hairspray. Ako na yung humihiram sa kanya kasi Dove din. So I didn't want to use other stuff. Right? Because parang hindi ako sure kung ano magiging epekto sa buhok ko. And when I would, parang it's not the same flow.
Right.
Hindi
And
same
it's tried and
effect,
tested na.
Yeah.
So,
I'm,
might as well.
I'm very glad that there are options. Kasi now parang gusto ko na ulit magpakulay ng buhok. So I'm still thinking about it. But that said, I'm glad that there are more products to help me.
Because
through that.
otherwise, you still need to, you get your hair colored and then you get the treatments at the salon pa. So plus the cost versus if you
yeah.
can. Kasi ngayon, kahit dun sa mga, if you buy online shopping, you can get your own like, you know.
Color.
Yung,
Oo,
or,
yung color
diba?
setup.
Tapos talagang pwede mo siya i-DIY.
Ang masaya rin, kunwari, parang ang realization ko rin recently, kunwari wala kang makeup, diba? But your hair is like, you're having a good hair day. Ang ganda na. Parang okay na ako.
Actually.
Tapos, meron pa isa pang layer ng kung hindi man, walang highlights, kahit white man yan, pero maganda pa rin yung
Bagsak.
yung bagsak, maganda pa rin yung okay pa rin. So, pwede akong, parang free ako to decide on, would I choose now to put highlights on my hair? Or, sige, patubuin ko nga yung puting buhok ko. Parang, okay lang din.
Meron akong super simple routine that I do. I do is, I shampoo at the end of the day. Basta bago matulog naka-shampoo na ako. Shampoo, conditioner. And then when I wake up the next day, tas kumari aalis ako, hindi ko na siya na-shampoo. Kasi parang nag-oil na siya.
Na-distribute na.
Oo, nag-ano na, yung kung ano man yung oil na para sa kanya, andyan na siya. And then I would do a very loose ponytail. It gets rid of the frizz. So just, yung super, wag yung matiga, wag yung mahigpit. So maano siya, tapos may pag-ganyan-ganyan pa yun.
May pa-drama.
Kasi nahuhulog, diba? Ganyan. Tapos, pagdating nung show, straight na siya. Kasi nag-oil na siya ng sarili. So I don't even need to blow dry it.
Alam mo, Mon, hindi ko alam kung ako lang to or ano din. Pero kapag kunyari mag-show, hindi ako, or iniiwasan ko maligo right before. Kailangan
Oo.
hours before.
Kasi
minsan
yung
the
magdadry
night
eh.
before.
Na, oo.
Tapos, pag naligo ako the night before, the next day show, usually, yun yung pinakamagandang,
Diba?
pinakamalambot.
Oo. Kasi parang feeling ko, pag i-shampoo mo siya ulit, mag-dry na siya. No?
I
What
produce
if-
too much oil. And if I don't shampoo on the day of,
Oh,
by the
yeah.
Iba
time
naman.
Ah.
Oo, iba
Sasabihin
naman.
ko pa naman sana, what if mag-alarm tayong lahat, maligo tayo sabay-sabay. Para yung show, di ba? Maayos yung buhok natin ng sabay-sabay sa next day.
para
sa
makita,
show.
para
Oo.
makita yung oil levels.
Game ako dyan.
Test natin for science.
How about
For
for
science.
rehearsal? Kasi
Para,
hindi pa
hindi
tayo
mataas yung
committed.
risk.
Oo. Kasi kung show tapos hindi nag-work.
Sige, bukas agad.
Bukas agad.
Oo, kasi may show bukas.
So, wait. Maliligo tayo mamaya.
Mamayang
Anong
gabi.
oras?
Ano oras?
Okay.
Dali.
Bago matulog.
May errands ba kayo? Saan kayo punta?
Alas 9.
Pwede
Nine.
Ang late naman nun. Tulog na ako nun.
Ang sarap.
8:30.
8:30.
Marami pa akong meeting ng 8:30.
Mamaya.
Mag-freeze yung hair ko sa
Ay,
stress.
talaga?
Alam ko na sa'yo, 8:30 a.m. Mali.
Pero same kasi ako with you, Messi. Kailangan kong maligo with shampoo before anything else. Because I think I also produce too much oil.
And it can't be shampoo that's too harsh, right?
Oo,
Yeah.
yes. And ngayon, na-appreciate ko na may blow dry na
Yes.
parang, well, maganda pa rin mapag air dry. Pero wow, oo nga, iba nga yung baksak yung volume, may pag
Yeah.
ganyan.
Diba? Tsaka ganda ng Sigma jig sa'yo, yung pagka
Hey,
ginagamit mo, yung pang ano mo.
Oo.
Ganda.
Yung
Too much
parang
hot
nag-rotate.
air.
Correct.
Too much hot air can also.
You know, speaking of that, I remember there was a time na inis si Happy sa akin. Kasi ang dami ko daw pauso. Remember when I used to put socks in my
Yes.
hair?
Yeah.
To curl it.
It works.
It works!
Yung stockings.
Oo. Tapos binibraid mo, tapos paglabas, ganun
May
na.
ganun.
Tapos si Happy, etong si Arin kung ano-anong pinapauso na naman. Ano, medyas? Medyas sa buhok?
Then she did it.
Then she did it. Pero her hair's different from mine. So
Ibang
nabagsak.
texture.
Budol queen yan si Aren.
Oo, sobra.
Because may basis naman yung pambubudol. She tries it herself.
As science.
Is science.
Science.
At kung gusto natin kasing ganda ni Aren,
Yun na yun.
Gumamit ng
Asa na ba yung
medyas?
stockings?
Question. Meron ba kayong minsan may dilemma? Dilemma, o hindi man nun. Para minsan nagtatalo ba sa inyo yung should I keep like one look for me as a spit performer, as a member of Spit? Should I maintain one look or not? Kasi ako dati, di ba nag-try ako ng buns? Parang sinubukan ko lang yun. Tapos naging thing ko siya before.
And people would copy you.
Yes.
Yes. Tapos, parang tinigil ko siya. Kasi parang hindi ko nang trip. Tapos may mga nagme-message, hindi na po kayo nagsi-space buns. Hindi ko nga alam yung
space
tawag
buns,
dun eh. Sabi ko, ay, yun pala yung tawag dun. Pwede po ba, nag-space buns po ako para pag napanood po kayo bukas, parehas tayo naka-space buns. Sabi ko, okay. Okay.
Eh, di ba
May
yun nga
ganung-
yung theme ng birthday mo? Lahat kami
Oo,
naka-space
naka-space
buns.
buns.
kaya
Kaya,
ka ba nag-stop?
hindi naman. Mamaya, bukas.
Ngayon na.
Tapos yung class ko rin, yung sa improv class, yung birthday ko, lahat naman sila nag-bangs. Yung bangs extension, sobrang cute.
I feel that with the short hair. Kasi
Yeah.
before when I had long hair, it was really just for theater work. And it would get in the way sometimes of improv.
Yeah.
So I would just like tie it or just leave it down. But now with shorter hair, I feel like I'm more versatile and I'm more, but I don't know. Yeah, where does the performance stop?
I don't have a one look for the hair, but it's more my clothes. So I make sure I have something that's a weave.
Yeah, look at that.
So I always make sure na meron siyang weave. Kahit it's a top, a bottom, a
An
side,
accessory.
Top
Aside.
and bottom aside.
or a belt, or basta meron siyang something.
Na
Tapos
weave.
and then the hair, I feel that I am free enough to play with it. Kasi
Yeah.
sobrang dali nung hair ko talaga. But ito na, ang dali niya. Pwede ko siya itali, pwede ko siya i-braid, pwede ko siya i-bangs, pwede ko siya sobrang dali niya.
Pero kailangan bagay sa outfit.
Oo naman.
ang
What
ganda
if
ko.
ito yung i-weave mo?
masabi?
What if ang i-weave mo yung buhok mo?
May pattern.
Oo.
Ang
Ganda.
I-crochet mo ko.
Sige.
Yung buhok.
Yung buhok.
I-crochet mo ko.
I-donate
crochet
mo,
ko.
tapos gagawin niyang...
So, ito-donate niya sa akin.
Gawa mo ako sweater.
Out of your hair.
Ako nga, hindi ako nagsusuklay. Because with 6 puyo,
What's
it
the
will
use?
not. It will not. Pero mahalaga na siya, well-maintained. Kasi kung hindi na nga, sobrang ganyan-ganyan na siya dahil nga of all the cowlicks, yun pala yung English nun, cowlicks. Hindi kasi talaga siya susunod. So, kailangan I'm at the mercy of my hair.
Babe, bye.
Ha?
Ang ibig sabihin ba niyan na magulo yung buhok mo, magulo ka ring tao?
Sabi nila, di ba may superstition? May
Oo,
superstition
pag maraming
na pag
puyo,
maraming
mas
puyo,
sutil.
Okay, I
Oo.
just wanna say, as a Scorpio and she's a Capricorn,
Yes.
okay, si Bibay can contain chaos. She does not have a lot of frills na kaartehan na unnecessary. Meron siyang kaartehan niya na very her own.
Yes, it's very
Oo.
particular.
Tapos
yeah.
ayan na yung hair niya. Ito yon. This is how it is what it is.
Yeah, my hair, it reflects the mess in my house.
But the way you contain
So, maganda.
chaos of the external world.
Magulo pero healthy. Diba?
well lived.
Well-lived.
Gusto ko yun, magulo pero healthy.
Oy, having said that, edi ang bilis rin ayusin ng bahay ko. Bukod sa kasi, mabilis siya ayusin.
Ako
Tapos
kailangan
kalbo pa
renovate.
yung asawa ko. So, wala akong ayos na ayos.
Oh my, oo
Wala
nga
akong
no.
ayos na kailangan gawin.
Oh,
Does
ay,
your
nag-iisip
hair
tuloy
reflect
ako.
your house?
Oh my gosh. So that time may nagpa-picture, magulo yung bahay ko eh.
Yun pala yun
Totoo,
eh.
oo, nakaganyan
Parang,
yung buhok
oh,
ko.
you know what? I don't know if this analogy works, but Bibay keeps saying that if there's a cat and the tail is fat, ikaw magsabi.
Okay, kung
Kasi
may-
kanya,
may
science niya to eh.
Oo. May makita kang pusa. Tapos yung buntot mataba. Ibig sabihin may nag-aalaga doon.
So would you say tuloy that kung may time ka to take care of your hair, you have time, like that, like ang gulo ng bahay mo, hindi mo na siya naayos. So because ang gulo na ng everything nangyari. So parang pati yung pusa, kung hindi siya naalagaan, meow, 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 meow.
Parang ako, kasi diba, dati, hindi ko nga rin alam, hindi ko ma-figure out anong gagawin ko sa hair ko. Kasi for the longest time, I just wear it like down, ganun. Tapos, yung shows tayo, I started experimenting.
Yung apartment mo ba? Nag-experiment?
Ito na nga.
Ayan na. May neon light.
With braids. Tapos, diba, yung usual ko laging ginagawa, yung ginaganong ko lang siya,
Na very
binabaliktad
cute
ko lang siya.
na.
Yun, I think it's because, number one, factors of do we have enough time to prepare? Kasi minsan, diba, shucks, wala na tayong oras, gadadada. Number two, I think dinidepend ko sa anong kind of shows. Is this a show that big show ba siya? Doon ako mag-iipit. Iyan lang naman ginagawa ko anyway. So, kaya lang naman siya.
Remember when we were roommates, tapos tinitafy ko yung hair?
Tinitafy.
Did it work?
Paglabas namin sa show, naka-braid na siya.
Magkamukha na kami. Kasi pareho yung
No, but she
style.
braided it because, and this just tells me, it's really a personality thing also.
Yeah.
The way we wear our hair.
So linking to my house now, I realize I am in the season of trying to figure out anong gagawin ko sa unit, anong kind of look. Actually, last night, we were planning na parang, ito, lalagay ko ng mga frames, ganyan-ganyan.
Who is
so,
we?
My sister.
Akala ko meron
Ayun
kang
talaga,
sinasabi.
akala ko nag-experiment ka din doon.
You'd be the first to know.
Kaya alam ko na nandito yung sister mo. Alam ko.
Pero paano kung nandito yung sister niya pero iba si Wee?
Di ko alam.
Kaya, go ahead.
Okay, go. Sorry.
It's giving Tangled Stories.
Where does my life begin?
Wait, hindi mo natapos.
Ayun na. So, nasa journey ako nung, what is my look? What is
your look?
Oh,
What
after, and it doesn't have to be a look.
Right.
Yeah, it's just the look.
It's fluid.
Exactly.
How about a married, as someone who will never get married? Ano bang married? Is there a difference? No, I mean, it's a choice. It's a valid choice. Is there a difference between the non-married look and the married look?
I will say that as a non-married, but diba, there was always a theory that when you get older, you cut your hair short. That's why all the titas that we see in malls, diba, short hair. Parang, that's changing. I feel like it's
Meron
changing.
ako nakikita na mga mahahaba pa rin yung hair.
Diba?
Oo.
In their 50s, 60s.
Because it's easier now to take care of it. Kasi nga may take-home products ka
Mas
na.
maraming options
No,
kasi.
oo.
Meron age shouldn't get in the way of how
Marriage
you care.
lang.
Age hindi ba marriage?
The dynamics of being with someone else, diba? And I'm sure their personalities are different then. And while you complement each other, there are always, that push and pull and the finding. Tapos may
Push
mga
and
anak
pull of
pa.
the hair,
Push and pull.
I will say, I'm not married, diba? But my boyfriend stays with me a lot. Pareho kaming long hair.
Oo nga.
So vacuuming is and the shower drain.
Because hair fall is natural naman. But also,
Yes.
it can be like, why am I losing so much hair?
Ako, ang sinusuklayan ko,
ikaw,
ako sarili ko,
with
tas yung
your
pusa
husband.
ko.
Pusa.
Kasi yung husband ko, hindi ko naman kailangan. Well, okay lang yung hair drain namin. I know it's all mine. I'm sure of it. So, mamaya magsusuklay ako at sama yung pusa naman.
Sabagay.
Same
Yung husband
brush.
ko rin, hindi rin kailangan ng suklay.
Pero yung husband mo meron dito.
Meron dito. Yun ang kailangan i-vacuum.
So from the long hair to the no hair to the beard hair.
Yes.
Right. Si Irvin.
Maarte siya sa buhok niya. Kasi yung hair niya kasi parang medyo pataas. Hindi siya, hindi siya yung parang malambot na nagfo-flow. So parang may kailangan niya magpagupit at a certain consistent time para makuha yung gusto niya. Pero I remember when Missy mentioned yung age, well, ever since, siguro grade school, high school, pag lalabas ako, aayusin ko yung hairstyle ko according to the person that I want to parang portray that day. Like
character.
Yeah.
Yes.
Parang rin nag-Audrey Hepburn ka.
Yes.
Nung nakapang-Ingres si Ariel. Tapos ikaw, Audrey Hepburn.
Kaya siniseryoso kapag meron tayong theme. Like nung meron tayong 80s theme ba yun? Puffy yung hair ko.
Oo nga.
Actually, Angelica is very good at following the dress code.
That's true.
The best.
Yes, that time was, ano yung theme nun? That was
Para
Great
siyang
Gatsby.
Great Gatsby.
Great Gatsby. So sabi nila, Great Gatsby or Black.
Nakadress lahat.
Pero siya naka-gloves.
May gloves. And the pearls.
And the pearl.
So siya ay Great Gatsby na black.
na black.
Yeah.
diba?
Eh, si Ariel.
Ariel.
Black lang.
Black lang.
Na t-shirt.
Na t-shirt.
Parang na siya. Great na siya.
Siya yung great.
Yeah.
Akala ko Gatsby na kasi.
Gatsby na siya.
Gats to believe.
Gats to believe.
Gots to believe. I actually think that guys should also take care of their hair.
Oh,
The
they
same.
should.
I feel like times are changing na hindi na siya girly.
All in one.
Yeah. Hello, si David has such luxurious hair.
Okay.
Diba?
Nagsasalon kasi yun.
Si Carl.
nga pala.
nagpakulot.
Yes!
Carl.
Carl. Yung glow up ni Carl na sabi ko.
Yes. Pero mo parang Clark Kent, nag-ano lang siya, kulot lang siya.
Parang ibang tao.
He
Parang
was
ibang
reborn that day.
Yes.
Dapat pala
He
nandito
was.
si Carl.
Because he has experimented a lot with his hair.
Yes.
Since you mentioned reborn, it feels really good to have that personal relationship to your hair, and that it's one of the fundamental parts that you can change to kind of like change also how you feel, to mark a change in your life or a milestone.
You know, as a Sagittarius, I know that when I get my hair done and then I don't like it, I know it's okay, it will pass. Kasi nga, di ba, ang Sagittarius, ayun na yan eh. Ayun na yun.
Ganun pala. Hindi ko alam.
Very siya, very go with the flow kasi. So parang, no, masyado atang maikse. Okay lang, di next month mahaba na yan.
So I think yun din yung masaya kapag na-experience mo yung different hairstyles. If you cut your hair too short,
Alam mo,
parang
lesson.
okay lang, na-experience ko man to dati. Tapos hahaba rin naman siya.
Tutubo pa rin siya.
Basta may ganun trust.
but as Scorpios, ganun ka din ba
As a
na
Scorpio, hindi intense ako na hindi ko kailangan ng drastic change in my life to decide to like, I'ma cut my bangs.
Right,
I'ma cut my hair short. Parang, anong pinagdaanan mo? Bakit ang ikli ng buhok mo bila? Kasi ang saya lang.
Mainit eh.
Dati parang,
Bored ako eh.
Oo, actually, totoo. Parang, nung tumatanda rin ako, doon ko na-realize, parang okay lang naman na kung mag-decide ka na you cut your hair short, ngayon gusto mo magpakulay, okay, parang hindi mo kailangan ng 1 week to really think about it.
parang the rebirth or the rebranding just is a relationship to yourself rather than to the external factors.
Yes.
But it's a manifestation of yourself to the external world.
I would say, as an Aries, actually hindi ko alam connection nito.
Sige, sinabi na.
As an Aries, parang feeling, every day, intentionally ko iniisip what my hair would look like
Aries
for
yan.
that day. Aries yan?
Fiery.
Kasi gusto ko parang, okay, parang yun yung parang, part siya ng theme ko for today. Kahit na walang themed shows or walang pupuntahan, kahit nasa bahay lang ako, okay, today, like even ng bata ako, maglalagay ako ng colored ribbon because that's who I am today. And kunyari, half day ayoko na nun, ibahin ko na siya. And then, so I feel like, parang may chance tayo to be reborn.
Yeah.
Like, every waking moment.
Yes.
And we have the chance, even like through the day, like sa gitna ng day.
Oh my God, ganda na sinabi mo, Angelica. You know, like, how there's some that say that you divide your day into quarters so that you don't say, I had a bad day. Kasi alam mo na
morning.
at
Sa quarter
the next
lang na
quarter,
yun.
babago na, magre-reset na siya
Ganda
ulit.
nun.
So pag, ay, nito umaga gusto ko mag-ribbon, ay mamaya ayoko na. So
Siguro-
bago na siyang,
Siguro kaya si Cara, hindi kailangan galawin yung box. Sa Leo
I was
siya.
gonna say,
Oo.
as a Leo,
Yeah.
I am as the only Leo in the entire group. I'm gonna say, I think I was born with beautiful hair.
Yes.
The beautiful my lion's mane.
As a
That's what it
Leo.
is.
That's
So,
right.
pero totoo siya, and this is not bragging anything. I just know that I have beautiful hair. Wow.
you do.
Until the society shattered.
Expectations.
Oo. I think it also comes with age. Because when I was, bakit nag-i-English? Anyway, teka lang. It's a beautiful hair. When I was in elementary, magpapagupit ako, nasuot ko yung uniform ko. Kasi ganun ko siya gusto. Dapat yung buhok ko bagay sa uniform ko. Because I think, nung nasa elementary tayo or high school, dapat
Tama.
yung perception ng ibang tao, iniisip ko yun. Because I want to belong. But now, I want to find my own identity and express myself. So, katulad ng sinabi ni Thea na kahit ano yan, I can explore because anyway, it will, lahaba pa rin naman siya.
Magbabago at
Nandun siya.
magbabago.
Oo, correct. But yes, as a Leo, I think my hair is beautiful.
Yes.
But
Beautiful mane.
I am open and ready to accept any help I can because I do need.
Oo naman.
Lahat naman tayo kailangan ng
Of
help.
course.
Kasi puyat, grabe na puyat is
Yes.
horrible.
Totoo.
Oo.
And when there are times that I feel like I can't fix my hair properly, kaya nga nag-extensions ako. Diba? Yung gig na,
Oh
meron
my
akong
gosh, yeah.
extensions na, sabi ko, tatali ko na yung buhok ko, ponytail. Parang pangit ng ponytail ko. Meron akong extension na
Napo.
clip,
Clamp.
na ginaganon ko lang. Tapos parang, woof! Ang ganda ng ponytail.
Tapos nagkasalubong kami sa banyo. Aaron, extensions ba yan? Yeah, try it.
Tapos
Binigay ko sa akin. Wow! Okay.
So my hair extensions that I use for the theater when it needs to be extra like poofy, I haven't used it in spit. But I shampoo it and conditioner because it's real hair.
Oh, mine's fake.
That's fine. Whatever works.
So I
But yeah.
don't wash it. I should.
Kaya pala parang question, ginagawa niyo ba kapag ako, syempre, question pa, gusto ko lang naman i-share yung personal ko. Kapag may sakit ako, or nung college, kapag hindi ko alam yung sagot sa test, magpapaganda ako. Pag may sakit ako, parang kahit anong sama ng pakiramdam ko, magme-makeup ako, tapos parang,
Pumapasok ka pa rin?
hindi, iba to, hiwalay siya na
Pag pag yung stress levels mataas.
pag stress levels mataas, pag physically feel like not there or medyo sluggish, doon pa ako parang hindi, mag-aayos ako. Para kahit pa paano medyo
Yes. When I would have I do corporate programs and then sobra akong kinakabahan before nung hindi pa ganito kadalas mag-show. So parang medyo na ma-manage ko na siya. I would get so anxious, I would throw up. As in, suka. So, suka talaga ako. Pero matagal na yun, hindi na. Well, since this started, parang I disappeared. But I would really make myself talagang yung beautiful kasi sasabihin ko if I'm not effective at least I'm cute.
bumagsak man ako, maganda naman ako.
Gapang with grace. That said, merong isang hair na sobrang important na feeling ko hindi kompleto kung wala. Eyelash! Holistically.
Eyeliner.
Oo, itong dalawang to. Akichi, ikaw din.
Yung akin, fake forever.
It's enhancement. We'll call it enhancement.
Enhancement.
There are many
Pero,
ways.
oo.
Enhancement.
Sorry,
enhancement.
I talked over Cara. Sorry, Cara. Yes.
I forgot na. Anyway, it's okay.
Eyebrows sabi mo.
Eyebrows. That's it. Eyebrows.
Pero nakakabuo rin ng face yun
Yes.
Sobra.
I remember Aaron and I had this conversation before. Aaron was like, out of nowhere, Mon, do you fix your kilay? Like, oo naman. You know me, I just started fixing my kilay now. I don't know why. Yun na yung conversation.
Tapos natapos na doon.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
Pero, interesting enough, hindi ko naman actually napapansin yung kilay ko before. As in, even when I started working sa corporate na or anything, I think it was nung nagsho-show na, ay, oo nga pala may kilay na kailangan ayos.
Kasi makikita mo sa video, sa pictures,
Oo.
makikita mo.
I think really leveling up our HMU is for more hair and makeup. It's really like connecting more to our audience, and then because we're mediated through the camera and then through the screens, parang it's necessary for us to get across our expressions, our disposition. But as we level up that prep, it's also important to level up the
care.
Care. Maintenance,
the
yeah.
self-care after.
Absolutely.
All right. So
Ano yung mga self-care nyo post shows?
post show, makeup removal,
Skincare. Sobrang important ng makeup removal.
skincare.
Ako talaga, because I do all of that.
Oh, you need to
I really have
wash
to
it
shampoo
off.
I have to wash my hair. Yeah, because of the product, yeah.
Ako kasi, sometimes when I fix my hair, kina-curler ko siya. After a show, I wanna keep it the next
Kasi
day.
ang ganda eh.
Diba?
Diba? Parang,
There are many times that I fall flat. Pagkapasok ko parang deads na ako. Tapos I wake up na, ang ganda ng hair. So parang, I wanna keep this.
I wanna do a
wake up
show.
Like 3 hours later. Diba?
wanna wake up
Kailangan ko
like
na talaga maligo. And I'm so tempted to not. But one time that I didn't, the next day, akala ko ganun pa rin kaganda. Hindi eh.
sabi mo yung oil,
Overproduce.
I think depends.
So, syempre kadiri yung feeling ko.
Kung hindi ka nag-hairspray siguro. Maybe that's it. Because I hardly hairspray my hair.
So, natural na yung bagsak niya.
So, guys, before we end this episode, can we talk a little bit about our, like what Missy said, yung mga hair care rituals or rituals that we do after shows or even before the shows, just so that our audience knows. Baka they can get some tips from us.
My hair care consists of, when I get to the show, I put mousse and then I poof it up. And then I use more cold air than warm in the settings of
Less
the
damage.
Yeah, less damage. And then when I take it off, I have to make sure that when I take off the curlers, hindi siyang kasi sumasama yung buhok ko. Kaya talagang ang anit. Right? So it's mindful removal lang. And then the brushing is minimal. I just really use my hands or I use a comb that is yung parang hindi siya magagaralgal. Kasi I'm fine hair, it's straight pa. And then so I just use a comb for that or my hands. And then hairspray, which I need to shampoo talaga. At the end of the day, shampoo, conditioner, and air dry. Hindi ko siya tinatuwalya ng ganon. So it's really air dry. And then habang naka-conditioner siya, I use yung suklay na ganon.
Wide tooth.
Wide tooth. Kailangan ganon. So,
Tatlo lang. Try them.
so yun. And then when I shampoo, it's really just pababa na lang yung shower imbis na. Tapos hindi ko na siya tinatali ng ganon with a towel. That's me.
All right.
Ako, parang wala masyado. Pero siguro, in terms of makeup, sabihin natin makeup, dati wala akong pakialam sa priming your face. Di ba parang dapat kaya mo i-moisturize? I just recently learned na parang, so okay, kaya pala ako makapit yung makeup na mas maayos because you primed your face properly. So I think yun, parang mag-invest sa maayos na mga pag-prime and moisturizing stuff. For my hair, I think parang before leaving the house, alam ko lang, if I wanna tie my hair, if I wanna do my hair up for the show, I'ma do it that way before leaving pa. Kasi ang hirap ako para sa akin, hindi ako maayos ng buhok eh. Papansin niyo ba parang, okay na yan, yun na yan. So kung na-frustrate ako, I just put it up. So kung gusto ko siyang ibababa ko siya, ibabagsak ko siya, kailangan bago ako umalis ng bahay, i-comb ko siya or ibabrush ko siya that way para yun na siya for the whole day. So I think, going home, pagkatapos ng show, yes, hindi ko kaya na hindi nagsha-shampoo. I think because of the oils then after the show, pawis and oil. So, conditioner is, I think, every day. Every day. Pero hindi ko pinapaabot sa roots, sa scalp. So, just mga ends, mga ganun. But, yeah, that's me.
Ako naman, definitely, I have to moisturize because of my age. I have to moisturize before I prime. So, my moisturizer has sun, screen. Ano ba? Hindi sunblock. Sunscreen.
SPF.
SPF. Oo, SPF. And then I prime. And tama ka, it really makes a difference na naka-prep yung skin mo before anything else. Sa hair naman, I make sure that I wash my hair at night. And then in the morning, because of my really unmanageable puyos, cowlicks, I condition in the morning. Oo. Para mas tame yung hair ko. And then ready na siya for the day. For shows, I use styling wax. Kaya talaga kailangan kong mag-wash ng hair after. Yun, that's me.
Ako, my skincare is very simple. Moisturize at night, sunscreen during the day. Then for my hair, I try not to tie it very tightly. Even if meron akong, halimbawa, gusto ko mangkuskus, hindi ko siya basta the lesser I tie it, the better. I try as much as possible na loose ponytail lang yung most, niya. Parang gusto ko loose lang siya. And I try to get enough sleep as much as I can. Lots of liquids. Actually, water nga eh. Kasi nag-cut ako talaga sa colored beverages. So, kasi nga pag 40,
That's me in a while.
Wisdom.
A lot of plus ones to what Monica and Bibay said. But instead of a loose ponytail, I actually use the clamps because I noticed kapag tinatali ko ng ganon, walang ponytail na, you know how when you tie a ponytail, biglang may bump?
Bewang daw yung tawag doon, bewang.
Bewang! Ayun.
Bewang. It's a grade school term.
Oh, wow. So, iwas bewang ako by tying my hair. And gusto ko dito, for some reason. I feel like it adds more volume, but that might be just me na nandito siya. Tapos pagtanggal mo,
No, but you can lie down.
yes, I can lie down. So, that's me.
Yes, plus one. And then, medyo marami akong rituals. Like pre-show, best for me if I, shampoo it the night before. And then pag magsha-shampoo pa ako, like when I take a shower, I shampoo and then I put on conditioner. Every other day ako nagpo-put on and then iniiwan ko siya for 1 to 2 minutes or so while I do my body wash and soap. Tsaka ko siya babanlawan. And then, minsan towel na usual yung pinapanggamit ko, pero minsan pinapangtuyo ko is like a shirt na cotton.
Parang naiinig ko nga itong
And then, mas air dry ako. Hindi ako masyado nagbo-blow dry. Or if I use the blow dryer, I use the cold air. And then, yun, during going to the show, since wavy yung buhok ko and hindi niya alam kung anong direction gusto niyang puntahan, intentionally ko na siya ng shawl nilalagay to a twisted bun para pagtanggal during the show, may na siya, may texture, ganun. And then after the show, dun ako talaga, I make sure to wash it with shampoo and conditioner. And then sometimes I also add some oil to my hair kasi ang dali niya mag-dry. So, ayun. So helpful din talaga yung lots of water. Pati skin ko madaling mag-dry. So, hydrate. And then, ayun. And then, if I feel like oily pa rin yung hair ko during the show, I add a bit of dry shampoo and sea salt spray to keep the waves.
Right.
Yan.
Love it. Plus. For me, my hair kasi nga, madulas talaga siya. So, hindi ko makapit yung curls. So, when I want to curl my hair, the night before, even the day, hindi ako nagko-conditioner. So, hindi rin ako madalas mag-conditioner kasi nga, feeling ko yung hair ko sobrang baksak na. So, the most care I do for my hair is really shampoo. And then, if I need a specific parang concern to address, talagang binabasa ko if I'm going to buy a shampoo or going to try a shampoo. Para saan yung shampoo na yun? For stronger hair, yung mga yung breakage. So yun at most, yun na yung care ko for my hair. And then, naalala
Yung
ko
hair
lang
mo
din,
for your hair.
My hair for my hair. Hair for hair.
Care for hair.
for hair.
Okay.
And then I think then ako, hindi ko alam, baka ganun lang talaga yung upbringing ko sa sarili ko.
Upbringing sa sarili.
Upbringing ko sa sarili ko, oo. Pag tumitingin ako sa mirror, the first thing I would notice, of course, is my face and then my hair na. And then I would say, you're beautiful. May one time kasi nagpagupit ako and I didn't like it in a way, and then medyo na-dry yung hair ko. Nag-sorry ako sa kanya. Sorry, I love you. Sorry, I love you. So I think na ano ko na yun. At some point, pag feeling ko hindi masyadong okay yung hair ko, I would say, it's okay, I love you, I love you. And then parang ano na rin siya. I think it's a Leo thing.
It is a Leo thing.
So at most, that's my hair care.
I love it. Thank you so much for sharing all of that. And I hope all our listeners can learn a little bit more about our rituals, maybe apply them to their own lives if it works for them, so that you can be your best self. And we'd like to thank Dove also for this episode. Thank you so much for being here with us. And we hope that you listen in our next episode. This has been Tawalets with Spit.
Bye.
The Dove Reborn Rituals playlist.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.